Okay, I'm here with Steve, or Fozzie as he's known. Steve, tell us a bit about yourself.
I'm Steve Foster from Intergen in New Zealand. I'm the product manager and marketing manager for Dynamics CRM. Been doing CRM for around 14, 15 years, so yeah.
Wow, so have you been to many of these Convergence events?
Yeah, this is my third Convergence. Did Houston and New Orleans, and loving it. Yeah, it's great.
So to other partners considering coming along to this event, particularly, you coming from New Zealand, myself from Australia, what would your recommendation to them to come along?
This hall here, this expo hall is just fantastic. It's one shop for all add-ons. So if you're looking at add-ons for whatever industry or particular product, you're going to find it here, and it's the best place to do that.
Yeah, fantastic. What about the content? What's delivered in some of the sessions?
Some of the content, you've got to pick your sessions right, but the content, if you find it, it's fantastic. Like the roadmap session yesterday was just unbelievable. The content was provided. I just went to a marketing session where we had 5 top marketers from around the world giving some fantastic advice.
Fantastic. So that's good from a partner point of view, but what about bringing customers along? What's the once again, what's your advice to partners about bringing a customer to an event like this?
Yeah. Well, for customers, we can certainly let them see the ecosystem of solutions and services which might be able to aid them in their business. They also get great industry insight by going to some of the industry sessions and see how other customers are actually implementing. Especially coming from New Zealand and Australia, you see some big organisations here, and it gives them really focus on great ideas.
Brilliant. And so, it's a bit of a cost, coming from the other side of the world. Is the investment worth it?
Absolutely, 10 times over. Because this here saves me so much time researching through the web to find actual add-ons. Here, I walk the room, I get all the information I need, I never have to look again.
Yeah. So what about the networking opportunities here?
Yeah. Well, for me, it's all about my brand and my personal image.
Yep.
So coming to an event like this, I get my Fozzie NZ out there, people know who I am,
Brilliant.
Put a face to it, and suddenly, I've got an extra about 20, 30 followers just by attending this event.
Yeah, fantastic. And so, the CRM 2013 roadmap and what's happening this year in 2014 has just been announced yesterday. Yep. What are your thoughts?
Phenomenal. 8 releases of information. It's just going to be a big year for CRM. It's probably going to be the biggest year for CRM ever. Definitely the place to be. Customer experience, contact center, it's going to be amazing.
Excellent. So in closing, is there anything you want to add?
Anything you want to add? This is the year of Dynamics.
Yeah, absolutely. Cheers, Fozzie. Thanks.